Here's how to double tap to take a screenshot on your Android phone. Now this is the Pixel device and Android 15. It's quite easy to do. All you need to do is search and open settings on your Android phone, and then you want to scroll till you find system. Tap on system and then find gestures. Tap on gestures. Here you see quick tap to start actions. Tap on this and you need to toggle on use quick tap. You can also search under settings, quick tap, and then tap on use quick tap. This will bring you to quick tap. Under tap back of phone twice, you want to make sure it's on screenshot, which is the first option. Now you'll be able to take screenshot by double tapping on the back of your Android phone. You need to perform the same gesture for a screenshot to be taken. Now the next time you double tap on the back of your Android phone, a screenshot will be taken. If you do not find this feature, you might need to download an external application for this to work. So thank you for watching this video. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tips.